Here I have Suzuki S-Cross, and let me show you how to change the AC mode while idling stop. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the settings icon, as you can see right here. Then let's use the left menu to choose the vehicle icon. This is the last of the following menu. If you tap the vehicle, you've got here two options: the vehicle alert information or vehicle customization. Let's choose this second one, vehicle customization. Alright, and as you can see here, you can find the AC mode while idling stop. So, many modern cars turn the engine off when you stop at red light, auto stop start feature, to save fuel, of course. These settings control the air conditioning during those moments. As you can see, I've got standard, but I can change it, for example, to comfort. And in comfort, the engine will stay off for a shorter time and restart sooner to keep the cabin cool and warm. You've got here also economy. The engine stays off longer to save more fuel, even if the cabin temperature rises slightly. So that's it. You can change those settings. In my case, let me set, for example, standard to be just in the middle of it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.